Hi, welcome to this Marketplace in Kamloops quick tip. In this video we are talking about the search feature, which you use when you want to find something specific in our store. The best way to search for what you want is to know and search for exactly what you're looking for. Let me repeat it again. To get the best results, you want to search for exactly what you want, because the search feature can be a little strange. Let me show you what I mean. Let's do 3 searches. For the first search, if you want to look for, let's say for example, the Cat in the Hat book, you type in the search field box, the Cat in the Hat, and click the search button. And you see the first result is exactly what you expect, Dr. Seuss's The Cat in the Hat book. That's exactly what you're looking for, and it's perfect. So let's do a second example. In the second search, suppose that you can't remember the exact name of the book. Maybe you can only remember 2 keywords, cat and hat. So you type that in and you click the search button, and you see it still works really good. You see that the Cat in the Hat is still the first result. However, let's go to our third example. Suppose you remember it's a book about a cat. So you type cat book in the search box and click the search button. The first results show cat books, but the Cat in the Hat book is not the top result. You can see it shows up a little lower on the page, and that's okay. If you scroll down the page a little further though, you see results that aren't even cat books. They are books, but not cat books. One more thing you need to know when you're searching in the store. Sometimes your search results might show a bunch of writing at the bottom of the search results page. Just disregard this. What's going on is that the search engine searches the entire website, all of the Marketplace in Kamloops pages, and not just the store. So it shows everything it finds, even if it is elsewhere in the website. So remember, the main thing is you will always get the best search results if you know exactly what you are looking for. I hope this quick tip from the Marketplace in Kamloops helps you. Happy shopping.